Hey everyone, thank you so much and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a complete disaster clean and declutter with me of my back storage area. I get anxiety every time I look at this space, and I figured today is the day to get it all cleaned up. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now I'm taking this Clorox cleaner and bleach spray to use, and I'm going to rip up some old towels and use that to clean the window sills, as you see here. And I'm also going to spray it along the baseboards and clean those. They were very filthy, and I don't think they had been cleaned since we moved into this house. So I'm just going to take the time to wipe a few spots on the wall and mainly focus on the baseboards.
I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done
something that I meant to mention at the beginning of the video, but as you can tell that I have on my working clothes. I've got my hair pulled up in a bonnet, I've got my tennis shoes on, I've got my jogging pants, not even leggings, because this was a job to be comfortable. We were sweating, and this was a real clean with me video, like top to bottom.
But I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine, I'm alright.
As you saw, I'm taking that Lysol and putting it in some warm water, and I'm going to get ready to mop the floors really good. The floors were somewhat stained, so I was not able to get all the stains up, but I made it look a whole lot better than what it did look. But you'll see that as we get closer to the end of the video.
Just a lesson that I've learned, and so it goes. Tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm really hard. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm really hard. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Okay, I've gotten everything clean and mopped up. As you can see, that little spot on the floor would not come up. It is just completely stained, and it's working my nerve, but I can't do anything about it. As you can see here, this is all the stuff that we took out. Now we've got to arrange, declutter, and get ready to place the items back in.
I never understood a word they said. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. I'm trying to make it up for my mistakes, but everywhere I turn, some hearts will break. Something, someone will end up getting hurt again. But there's no need to play pretend. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Stay, stay here with me. You used to say that I was great, but I made too many mistakes. Your heart will break because of me, because of me. But I just want, yeah, I just want, yeah, I just want you to stay. Why don't you stay, oh stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Why don't you stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really
As you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but in this clip here, my husband is going through all of his magic cards. That orange bin is full of magic cards. He played magic a lot before we met, and since we've gotten married and had a kid, he hasn't had much time for it, but he does love it. So he's trying to keep some of them and rearrange them. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of bikes, and most of them belong to my siblings. They come over and spend a lot of time with me, so we get together and we ride bicycles and just enjoy being outside. So instead of having my parents just haul them back and forth, I let them store them back here in my storage area, since this is the place that they mainly ride them. So we're just trying to line them up really nice and neat. And we have come to the end of the video. This is what it looks like after all of the cleaning and decluttering. Nothing too fancy, but it makes me feel a whole lot better. I can get to things easier, and it's so refreshing and aesthetically pleasing. If you like this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you never miss an upload from me. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it bright.